Hi all! Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம் எனக்கு பிகாஸ் ஸ்டே வித் ஹேண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப சின்னதாக ஆரம்பிச்சு முதல்ல என்ன கண்டென்ட் போடுறதுனே தெரியாமல் இருந்தது. தென் ஐ ஸ்டார்ட் டூயிங் ஷார்ட்ஸ். Later on, if I'm trying to do more of long videos, I'll try to match and put a lot of long videos for YouTube. And இன்னைக்கு I just made a quick video after my office. இது வந்து just to show like what is inside my dressing table. This is a very very short video and a unplanned video also. இதில் வந்து நான் வெறும் என்னோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் டேபிளில் என்ன வச்சிருக்கேங்கிறது மட்டும்தான் இருக்குது. நோ மேக்கப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ். மேக்கப் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் நான் வந்து தனியாக வேணால் I'll just cover it because I just carry a pouch or a bag of makeup products, brushes and everything. So even the dressing table I have all my serums, my gels, my daily usage products மட்டும்தான் இங்கே இருக்குது. So come, let's check it out. So welcome to my dressing table. So this is not a small dressing table where I dump everything actually. First row is more of my hair products, and there's like an underarm gel, then a hair serum, then some curling stuff, and that's it, some extra copies. Coming to the second row, I have some old eyeliners, mascaras, scissors, and some old brushes I have which I don't even use. And this is one under eye cream that I generally use. And these are some serums that I use, sometimes I don't use. Summark, and this one I'll make a separate video of what this is. So these are some exfoliators that I use. My eyeliner and one nail polish that I have. My Gali compact powder, then salicylic acid, some vitamin C serums, and all my night serums and everything. And two contact lens dabbas. This is one of my favorite lip balms. I'll make a separate video again on this. And coming to the new product that I have, and I'm in love with this product, and either a separate video reel, everything is coming up soon. Coming to the third row, here I have many coupons. So the first one is the hair serum from Streaks, the best serum that you can ever have. Some lipsticks from My Glam, and in the Pond's powder one that I generally use for my hair, and this body yogurt is like non-sticky, non-greasy. This is my favorite sunscreen, which is again matte finished. My favorite moisturizer. This is my actually my small earrings dabba. Okay, I'm trying a lot, but it's not opening. Okay, let's just leave this. So coming to the fourth row, I have the lens solution, then some one day lenses that I rarely use when I go out or something. This is a perfume, or sorry, body mist from Miniso and Miniso makeup removers. This is a dry shampoo that I again rarely use or when I have a greasy hair. This is absorb powder, which is very good. And this baby oil for my makeup removing, and roller because I have Zara, so to remove those. And these are some extra sunscreen that I have. So that's it. And my last is my shaving cream. I guess அவ்வளோதான் என்னோட குப்பை டப்பா. My dressing table, where I stuff everything. So makeup video comes separately. That is a different pouch with all the products, brushes, brush cleaners, etc, etc. So hope you like this video and comment below of what you want in my next video. ஸோ அது எனக்கு கண்டென்ட் ஐடியாவும் நிறையா கிடைக்கும். மறக்காமல் subscribe to stay with hams. So let's grow 1,000 subscribers to 1 lakh subscribers and more. Thank you all anyways for supporting me till this, and I want you to support even more. Thank you all.